Happy birthday to
you. Yay!
Okay, are you ready, Zoe, to open your gifts? Hey guys! So, kahapon po, ang birthday celeb ni Zoe, and don't you worry guys, ipopost ko rin yung full video ng birthday ni Zozo. But now, dahil excited na siya, we'll be opening his present sa lahat po na nagbigay. Thank you so much. Okay, Zoe, are we ready to open your present? You want this one first? Okay, let's go. We'll set this aside. Oh, here. Okay, and then after that, just give it to Yaya, okay? Oh, it's Bluey. Ano yung card? This is from Toto, and this from Tito Lu and Tita Myla. Yes. So, here. Open. Oh, wow, Zoe, it's Bluey Bubbles. Wow. And then we have books, Zoe, look. It's books. You like books, right? Yes, nakangiti siya. Yay! We have more toys. Okay, we'll set that aside na, ha? Okay, come here. Okay, next is, we'll open this. Next is from Andrea. Si Andrea Barbosa. Ito yung sa autism. Yes, okay. Keep the cards. It's thank you po. Ito yung mga kailangan po namin. Thank you, Andrea. See, hindi siya natutuwa kasi hindi naman next. Ito, next. This is from Uncle Migs and Tita Ashley. Okay, keep the card. Oh, it's a Bluey puzzle, Zoe. Look. Wow, you're smiling to us. Thank you, Migs. Thank you, Ashley. Oh, wow. Yeah, I know. Okay, next is from Ninong Kael. Okay, Ninong Kael. Let's open. More books, buddy. You love books, right? Oh, look. Yeah. Natutuwa siya. Yeah, look. Oh, more books. Your old books, we can donate it already. There, see? Yay! Okay, next. Next, who's from? From always from Lola, Chris and Lola. Thank you. Okay. Oh, you would love this, buddy. Oh, just here. Okay, sorry. Here, It's a fire truck! Another fire truck for Zozo. Oh, Kuya Indy would love to play with you. There, wow! Look, you like it? Thank you, Lola and Chris. Thank you. Next is, who's this? Anya and Ella. Yes, your cousins. Cousins naman. Cousins. Oh, kasi third cousins. Yes. Oh, we'll open it. Will you help me? Hi! Wow, more books, buddy. Wow, Bluey. Oh, mag-aaral na talaga tayo, anak. Yes, library na tayo. Next, from Ate Princess. Yes, we'll go through all of it, okay? Happy birthday. Oh, it's a panda, Zoe. It's a panda. You like it? Yes? You hug the panda? Hug the panda. Thank you, Ate Princess. Yeah. Yes, sa CP, naka-wheelchair. Oo. Okay, next. Do you want this one talaga? Okay. Here. Okay. Okay, this is from... Dumikit na. Tita Flor, Laksa Kids. Thank you. Gusto niya kasi yung lagayan eh. Anak, parang nabasag ata natin ito kanina. Oh no! Zo, look! Hi! What you use in therapy, anak? Yeah! So you put the shapes, right? Yeah, you like it? Very, very nice. Gusto niyo ito talaga pala. Okay, we'll get it. Okay. Next, thank you, Tita Flor. Next is Tita Roy and Tita Ria Miranda Kids. Thank you. Okay. Oh, Zoe, we can study more on the alphabet. Alpabetong Pinoy. Ayan.
Tagalog na.
Yeah, mas madali para sa inyo. Ay, gusto niya. Oh, see? Flashcards. See, so much. Mag-aaral na talaga, Zozo.
Ay, aral na talaga.
Next is, what's this? Okay. This is from, yan kila JM. Yung kay Tita Flor kanito talaga. From Lolo Emmy and Lola Flor. Wow! Yes. More! Wow! You would love to play with this, Lovey. Because you put it and then you'll hammer it. Gusto niya, di ba? Yes! Okay, next is, woohoo! We'll open this. Thank you po, Laksa family. Baby Alonzo from Tito JM. Grabe naman. Lakas mo naman kay Tito JM mo. Yes. Gusto niyo naman. Wait lang, one at a time, buddy. Sige, we'll get that next. More toys! So, do-donate na talaga natin mga lumang toys mo, anak. So, other kids can use it. Oh, here na. Look! Oh, mag-aaral ka na talaga, anak. Kasi you have to put that, by height and then by shapes. Okay? Oh, you wanted this, right? Oh, we'll open this. This is from Tito Bugsy and Tito Joshua. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, here it is. We'll open it. Oh, wow, Zo, look how big it is. Oh, laki! Look! Zo, so much people love you talaga. Oh, look! It's a huge fire truck. Yes. See? Try me. Paano ba to? Wow! Yay! Okay. Next. Ito. Here. We'll open it later. Next is from Juanit. You want it? Sige. Dapat pala hinuli natin yan. Hindi natin alam eh. This is from Juanito and Maria. Ito yung kay Liza. We'll check your clothes. Ay, kasha to. Laki pa, Oo, wag na natin palitan. Ayan, Kaya to, This is so cute. Thank you. Ito pa. Ito yung kay Tita Liza. Ayan, yan yung sa mga apo. Kasi 110 lang siya eh. Kasi 1... Ito yan.
Yan yung sinasabi.
Here. Ay, malaki pa nga. Laki nga. We'll change it naman. Ay, hindi. 110. Size to niya. This is your size.
Kaya na yan.
Oo. Ito lang siguro. Hindi. Kasha na. It's so nice. Wow naman. Mag-airport na ba tayo? Ay! Let's go to Hong Kong na. Wow. Disneyland. Thank you po. And the next is from... this is from Ating, Tita Ting, and Lolo Apoy. Hindi siya nakapunta.
Hindi na nagpapakita.
Mhm.
Hindi na siya
Hindi na.
lumalabas.
Ay, Zoe, you would love this. Look. Ay, oh, to Josephine. School na, guys. Okay, magsuschool na talaga. Magsuschool na talaga tayo. No.
Wala na itong resibo.
Ha?
Wala na.
Wala na. Okay na yun. Wag na natin palitan. Okay, guys. Magsuschool na po talaga tayo. Oh, here pa. Dami pa pala. Ito pa. Meron pa pala dito. Grabe, Zo. Ang dami. Wait, open this. Ay! Ako yung natutuwa dito. Ang cute.
Ay!
Zo, may una na tayo. Gusto niya talaga yung fire truck. Okay, wait, like. We'll open all. We'll open all, okay? Oh, look. Oh, okay. Ayaw niya. Gusto na niya talaga. Let's focus here first. Next. Ay, from Angel. Si Angel. Yes. Angel. Thank you, Angel. Fire truck ulit.
First issue na.
Fire station. Dapat pala kinuha mo yung signage dun sa labas. Na birthday niyan, lilagay mo dito.
Oo.
Oh. Wow! Look! What's that?
Naku, kailangan pala may ano siya ng
Mga fire truck. Oo nga.
nilagayan mo.
Look, ito na. Yaya no daw. Oh, look, what's this?
Ito lang.
Here. Gusto yun yung gusto niya. There. Look, it's a fire truck as well. You like it? Yeah. Okay, last two. Ala, walang card. Walang card. Walang card. Pero, chocolates. So, this goes to Yaya and Ate Josie because ano na galing to? Nakalagay pa sa ganito.
Oo nga.
Sayang.
Yan. Baka sa'yo yan.
Okay. Nandun siya sa giba. Thank you, whoever gave this. Thank you.
Nawala yung card.
And for last is Momo and Lala. Zo, look, oh. Zo. Zo, look.
Wow! What's that? Ay, yun!
What's that? Your turn. Isa sa'yo. Yay! Natutuwa siya. Okay, guys. So, that's it. Grabe. Ang daming gifts ni Zoe. Ayan. Lagyan ulit natin dito sa harap. Ayan. Yaya, papabot. Yan. So, we'll put all the gifts here. There. His fire trucks. Sumasayaw siya. Ayan. Where's the others? Hindi gusto niya. Okay, guys. Also, besides these gifts, meron mga nagbigay po ng letters for Alonzo. So, ito from, hindi ko na buo babasahin kasi guys, ang hahaba. And this is all from his cerebral palsy classmates, friends, sa community po. Kasi nag-invite rin po ako dun sa birthday ni Zoe. Hindi ko na-invite lahat, guys, kasi syempre hindi na ma-accommodate. So, I invited his closest friends po sa community. So, una po is from Jonas. Thank you po sa letter mo. So, nakalagay, "Hi Alonzo, happy 5th birthday. Napakatapang mong bata. Tunay ka nga isang warrior kid." Ba't ako naiyak bigla? Ang wish ko sa'yo ay lagi malakas at huwag na sanang pag-alahanin si Mommy Jana, more TikTok ni Don Alonzo. Yes, or Don Alonzo shirts. Guys, you could avail this po sa Jane A. The Label, ang ating Don Alonzo merch. Okay. Next is happy 5th Alam niya yung kung nasaan yung ano Happy 5th birthday, Alonzo. This is from Mommy Susan and Monique. Thank you, thank you. So happy 5th birthday, Zozo. We're so lucky to have you in our lives. Wishing you a day filled with laughter and love and all your favorite things. We love you and Mommy Jana. Thank you always. Thank you so much. San ka na, anak? Dito ka ba? Ayan. Ikot natin. Ayan. Okay. Ang next naman po is happy 5th birthday, Alonzo. Maraming salamat, Zozo, sa pagiging inspiration niyo ni Mommy Jana sa lahat ng cerebral palsy of Antipolo, lalo na po sa amin ni Mona. This is from Mommy KM. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng tulong at support. We love you both. Laban lang tayo, cerebral palsy. Love Mommy KM and Mona and family. And then last po, sobrang haba nito. Actually, nabasa ko na to kagabi. Naiyak lang ako. Ayoko nabasa. Kasi para this is from Cassie. Warrior Cassie. So, ayan. Pero kasi po sila eh. And then, lastly, sa lahat po nagbigay nito, alam nyo na to, mga mga nanonood dyan. So, ito po lahat na na-collect po namin. Ito. And very transparent po. This one po is equivalent to 22,000. I divided it na. So, pang 3 weeks po tong therapy ni Alonzo. So, yeah. So, I'm so happy kasi kahit pa paano sobrang laking tulong to. So, dinivide ko na siya actually. Ayan. Nandito na yan. So, per week. So, for the next 3 weeks, may pang therapy tayo, Zozo! Look. See? Say thank you for those who gave. Ayan guys, nag-enjoy na si Alonzo. Thank you so much sa lahat na nagbigay ng gifts. Thank you rin sa mga nagpadala sa Kusina Berenguer ng mga gifts ni Zoe. Actually, madami pang gifts doon. Ang dami na nagpadala daw kahapon. So, kukunin na lang natin yung tomorrow. And si Hannah Bishi rin pala, nagpadala ng electric fan. Thank you so much. Tiny Buds rin, thank you so much for providing the giveaways and prizes and loot bags para sa birthday party ni Alonzo. Grabe guys, ang dami nag-enjoy kahapon. Don't you worry guys, we'll be posting more videos sa lahat po nangyari sa birthday ni Zozo. And for those who greeted, supported, and shared their love with Alonzo, thank you so much. And lalo na dito sa mga nagbigay, grabe, salamat po. At sa lahat po nagpray para kay Zoe, thank you so much. Kasi umabot na tayo ng 5 years! So, more birthdays to come. Here, buddy. More birthdays to come. And let's all enjoy and yeah, celebrate more years with Alonzo. So thank you guys. See you guys on our next vid. Bye. You like it? Go. You like it? Or this one? This one, you want this? You want that? It's a real fire truck! We'll rescue Tondo, Manila!